Hey, would you mind giving me a glass of water? Actually, I'm so tired. Hello there, this is me, Vijayadash, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vijayadash. So today we will talk about a very cool structure and very easy structure, as you always know that I always come with a very easy and peasy structures for you. So the topic of our today's lesson is about a structure that's called Would You Mind? Would you mind? So sometimes in our life we need to ask something to someone in a very polite way. So for that person, this video is going to be really cool about this would you mind structure. So here I will mention you two sentences and you need to find the differences between these two sentences. So the sentences are: give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. And the second one is, would you mind giving me a glass of water? Would you mind giving me a glass of water? So have you found any differences between these two sentences? Of course there are differences between these two sentences. Okay, I'm going to write it in the board so it will be really helpful for you. So the first sentence that I mentioned, that is, give me a glass of water. So the first sentence is, give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. And the second one is, would you mind? This structure is about would you mind? Would you mind giving me? So the next one is that, would you mind giving me a glass of water? So, would you mind giving me a glass of water? So the first sentence that I mentioned is about give me a glass of water, and the second one that I mentioned, that is, would you mind giving me a glass of water? So what's the differences between these two sentences? So the differences are about the politeness. So these first ones, like give me a glass of water, in this way you cannot ask a question to an elder person, but this sentence is implying a lot of politeness, and you can ask any question with this sentence in a very cool way. So here the question is, would you mind giving me a glass of water? Would you mind giving me a glass of water? So the structure that we need to follow here, that is would you mind structure. So here the phrase that we should follow and we have to follow, that is would you mind, like from here to this, would you mind? So this structure is would you mind. Here I'm going to mention it, would you mind. So our today's phrase is about would you mind. And then the next one, and you need to then the plus, and then you need to add a verb. You need to add a verb. So here give is a verb, and we need to add ing form. So plus verb plus ing. So here this, from not this one, this is the verb. Give is a verb. You always know that a give is a verb, then we need to add ing form. So verb plus ing plus from here that is extension. So here the structure is would you mind plus verb plus ing plus extension. Okay, so the first one was about give me a glass of water. That is not that much polite way to ask something to someone. So when you need to ask something to the elder one, you shouldn't follow this structure, and from there you should follow this structure of would you mind. Would you mind. So the structure, I'm going to repeat it again. That is would you mind plus verb plus ing plus extension. Would you mind plus verb plus ing plus extension. So the first one was give me a glass of water. Usually I'm following it to the elder person. And the next one is would you mind giving me a glass of water? So I hope you have loved this video and you have got the main theme of this video that I wanted to mention this video. So thank you so much for watching this video and listening to my speech in a great attention, and stay around to the next video. And of course, if you love this video, so please give a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Vijaya.net to get more video, and of course press the bell icon for my next interesting video presentations. So thank you so much for watching me and listening to me with a great attention. Stay around in the next video. Bye bye.